Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we navigate our daily routines, infiltrating every facet of modern life, from the intuitive recommendations on streaming platforms to the seamless performance of voice-activated assistants like Siri and Alexa. AI has embedded itself deeply in our existence. It's the wizard behind the curtain, optimizing our commute with traffic predictions and enhancing our entertainment choices through personalized suggestions. Moreover, AI's infiltration into smart home devices streamlines household chores, automating thermostats, lights, and security systems, making our lives more convenient and secure. Its continuous evolution ensures that AI will increasingly redefine and simplify our everyday experiences, promising a future where machines seamlessly integrate into our lives to augment convenience and efficiency.